Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to see what is calcination and roasting. These are the two methods which we are employing for the extraction of those metals which are moderately reactive. This we had discussed in our previous class. Like this, we have a reactivity series of metals. Up to here, this is AU, AG, HG, Cu, S2, Pb, Sn, Fe, Zn, aluminum, magnesium, calcium, Ca, and this is sodium. Up to here they are highly reactive and we have seen how they are to be extracted. And up to here they are said to be, let me call up to lead, moderately reactive. Moderately reactive. The metals which are not very highly reactive also and that are not also very low reactively. They are moderately reactive. For these metals, moderately reactive metals, the method of obtaining from their oxides or say the ores, whether they are carbonate ores or sulfide ores, is the methods are employed are calcination and roasting. Calcination and roasting. First we will see calcination. I said calcination and roasting are the processes with the help of which we are extracting the metals which are moderately reactive from their ores, and those ores could be carbonate or sulfide. So calcination, when we define, calcination is a process of strongly heating ZnCO3, and I will write here strongly heating, and it is ZnO plus CO2. Calcination is the process in which a carbonate ore is strongly heated in the absence of oxygen. Here we have not taken oxygen and converted it into its oxide. Once again, let me read it out for you. Calcination is a process in which a carbonate ore, please do remember, in calcination it is carbonate ore that is heated, and it is heated strongly, and it is heated in the absence of oxygen and converted into oxide. This was zinc carbonate and this is zinc oxide. So calcination. And what about roasting? Roasting is the process in which a sulfide ore, zinc sulfide this time, is heated in the presence of oxygen. This is zinc sulfide. The roasting is the process in which a sulfide ore strongly heated in the presence of oxygen and converted into its ZnO plus SO2. Zinc oxide, this will be 3 and 2 and 2 and 2. This is how it is balanced. That was already balanced. Sulfide ore strongly heated in the presence of oxygen and converted into its oxide. And why do we convert sulfide and carbonate ores into their oxides? Because obtaining metal from the carbonate ores and sulfide ores is not easy. And once we convert them into oxide, it becomes extremely easy for us to reduce those oxides to metal. Now, like in both the cases, we have got zinc oxide. If I write zinc oxide and with the help of carbon in the form of coke, which is the purest form of carbon, is used as a reducing agent. So if we do this, this will be Zn plus Cu. Our intention was to get metal. Now we have got the metal. So calcination and roasting both are the processes of strongly heating. In calcination, carbonate ores are heated and they are heated in the absence of oxygen. Whereas in sulfide, in roasting, sulfides ores are heated in the presence of oxygen and converted into oxide. Once metal from its sulfide ore or carbonate ore has been converted into its oxide, thereafter it is extremely easy for us to obtain the metal by reducing the metal oxide with the help of carbon, and sometimes we will be using other reducing agents also. That we will see in the next class.